Insert CBSE 2024 to 2025. Class 6. Exploring Science Chapter 3. Fiber to Fabric. All questions and answers in one short video. Exercises. 1. Fill in the blank spaces by using the correct words from the list given below. List: wool, cotton, silk, jute, smooth, seeds, flowers, stalk. 1. The process of removing seeds from the cotton fiber is called ginning. 2. The cotton plant bears white or yellow flowers. 3. The jute fiber is obtained from the stalk of the jute plant. 4. Silk clothes are more smooth than the cotton clothes. 5. Plant fibers are cotton and jute. 6. Animal fibers are wool and silk. 2. The statements given below are incorrect. Write the correct statements. 1. Cotton grows best in sandy soil. Uns. Cotton grows best in black soil. 2. The spinning of fibers decreases the strength of yarn. Uns. The spinning of fibers increases the strength of the yarn. 3. Nylon clothes are best suited for kitchen. Uns. Nylon clothes are best suited for the cold climates. 4. The process of removing jute from its stalks is called ginning. Uns. The process of removing jute from its stalks is called retting. 5. Loom is a machine used for removing the seeds from raw cotton. Uns. Loom is a machine used for weaving cloth from yarn. 3. Match the statements in column A with those in column B. Column A. 1. Compressing of raw cotton into bundles. 2. Rotting of gummy skin of jute stalks in water. 3. The process of removing cotton seeds from cotton. 4. The process of making yarn from fibers. 5. The process of making cloth from yarn. Column B. A. Spinning. B. Weaving. C. Baling. D. Retting. E. Ginning. Uns. Column A. Column B. 1. Compressing of raw cotton into bundles. C. Baling. 2. Rotting of gummy skin of jute stalks in water. D. Retting. 3. The process of removing cotton seeds from cotton. E. Ginning. 4. The process of making yarn from fibers. A. Spinning. 5. The process of making cloth from yarn. B. Weaving. 4. Write true or false against the statements given below. Statements true false. 1. Jute fiber is used for making fine clothes. False. 2. Nylon and polyester are synthetic fibers. True. 3. Terylene is a natural fiber. False. 4. Yarn is made from fibers. True. 5. Silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. False. 6. Knitting of a yarn makes a piece of fabric. True. 7. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. False. 8. Spinning is a process of making fibers. False. 9. The process of removing seeds from the cotton is called ginning. True. 10. Cotton seed cake is used as animal fodder. True. 5. Answer the following questions. 1. Why do we wear clothes? Uns. 1. Clothes protect us from wind, heat, cold and other climatic conditions. 2. Clothes protect us from external injuries. 3. Clothes help us to maintain our body temperature at a suitable level. 2. Name to man-made and to natural cloth materials. Uns. Polyester and nylon are man-made materials. Cotton and wool are natural materials. Three. Name the part of the plant which bears fibers in case of 1. Cotton. 2. Jute. 3. Coconut. Uns. 1. Cotton. Cotton bolls. 2. Jute stem. 3. Coconut outer coating of coconut. 4. What kind of fibers are used for making yarn? The fibers having a large length are used for making yarn. 5. Classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic fibers. 1. Nylon. 2. Jute. 3. Wool. 4. Polyester. 5. Cotton. 6. Silk. 7. Coir. Nylon and polyester are synthetic fibers. Jute, wool, cotton, silk and coir are natural fibers. 6. Name all the processes involved in serial order for making cotton fabrics from the raw cotton. 1. Ginning. 2. Baling. 3. Carding. 4. Spinning. 5. Weaving. 7. Name 2 items that are made from coconut fiber. Foot mats and floor carpets are made from coir fiber. 8. Explain the process of making yarn from cotton fiber. The process of making yarn from cotton fiber involves several steps. 1. Harvesting. Cotton fibers are harvested from the cotton plant. 2. Ginning. The harvested cotton is sent to a gin where seeds and debris are removed from the cotton fibers. 3. Carding. The cleaned cotton fibers are disentangled and aligned in a process called carding, forming a thin sheet of fibers called a web. 4. Drawing. The carded cotton is drawn out and twisted into a thinner and stronger strand called a sliver. 5. Roving. The slivers are further drawn out and slightly twisted into roving to prepare for spinning. 6. Spinning. The roving is spun into yarn by drawing out and twisting the fibers to create a continuous thread. 7. Winding. The spun yarn is wound onto spools or cones for further processing or use in textile manufacturing. 9. Why is it necessary to spin the fibers so as to make yarn? Spinning fibers to make yarn is necessary because it twists the fibers together, increasing their strength and cohesiveness. This twisting process turns the loose, fluffy fibers into a continuous, strong, and usable thread that can be woven or knitted into fabric. 10. How is jute fiber removed from the dried jute stalks? Jute fiber is removed from dried jute stalks through a process called retting. The stalks are soaked in water for several days to loosen the fibers. After retting, the fibers are separated from the stalk by hand, stripped off, and washed to remove any remaining impurities. 11. Give the uses of 1. Cotton. 2. Jute. 1. Uses of cotton. 1. Clothing, shirts, jeans, dresses. 2. Home textiles, bedsheets, towels, curtains. 3. Medical supplies, bandages, gauze. 4. Industrial products, filters, tents. 2. Uses of jute. 1. Packaging, sacks, bags. 2. Home decor, rugs, mats, curtains. 3. Industrial uses, geotextiles, insulation. 4. Agricultural uses, twine, ropes,